2026 Information Security Trend Forecast. In 2026, cybersecurity will formally enter the era of AI versus AI. Attackers will no longer rely solely on scripts and tools, but will begin deploying offensive AI systems with autonomous decision-making capabilities for automated reconnaissance, vulnerability discovery, lateral movement, and social engineering. At the same time, defenders will increasingly depend on AI for behavior analysis, threat prediction, and automated response. The core of security will no longer be rules, but the understanding and judgment of abnormal behavior distributions. The gap between offense and defense will be determined by data quality and model capability. Identity will replace network boundaries as the most critical security perimeter in 2026. In environments characterized by cloud adoption, remote work, API-driven architectures, and multiple coexisting SaaS platforms, attackers will prefer to steal, forge, or manipulate identities rather than force their way through networks. Traditional usernames and passwords, as well as multi-factor authentication, will not disappear, but they will no longer be sufficient. Continuous authentication, behavioral fingerprints, and zero trust will move from architectural concepts to default reality. Deepfakes and AI-driven social engineering will be deployed at scale in 2026. The authenticity of voice, video, and text will become increasingly difficult to judge based on human intuition alone. CEO fraud, forged internal instructions, and abuse of supply chain trust will become more covert. For the first time, cybersecurity will confront a fundamental assumption: systems can no longer assume that what is seen, heard, or received comes from a real human being. Security architectures will shift from tool sprawl to platform integration. In 2026, organizations will significantly reduce the number of fragmented security products and instead pursue unified data visibility, unified threat judgment, and unified response orchestration. The value of security will no longer be measured by how many products are deployed, but by how quickly an organization can understand what is happening during an attack, how it may spread, and which decisions should be automated. Finally, the cybersecurity competition in 2026 will essentially be a competition of organizational capability. Technology will remain important, but success or failure will be determined by security governance, cross-department collaboration, understanding of AI, and the ability to continuously adapt strategies in uncertain environments. Security will no longer be viewed as a defensive cost, but as a responsibility that must be assumed upfront in system design.